Friends, families, and future clients, I'm Broker Nick. I'm here to feature Abina House and Lot model here in Centrina in Alaminos, Laguna. So Abina House model has a minimum lot size of 89 square meters and a usable floor area of 85 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a balcony, a carport, and a complete interior finish. Okay, so let's go here. So here is your one car garage or a carport. Yan. Single attached unit, meaning it has a firewall. Yan. Yan. Sa exterior po natin, very modern Asian and design. As you can see, that's the balcony. So let's go inside. Wooden door. Ayan. Okay. So welcome here sa ating house model. So complete turnover po siya, meaning it has floor tiles, wall paint, it has a very high ceiling. Ayan, nakakaganda po yan ng bahay. Okay, so let's go here sa ating kitchen. Yan, ceramic tiles with splashboard, kasama na rin po yung mga complete kitchen accessories and our cabinets. So here is our first toilet and bath. Yan. So what I like about this house model is that 3 bedrooms siya and yet yung first bedroom nandito sa baba. So very important din sometimes na meron tayong bedroom dito sa ating first floor for our elders and sometimes sa mga maids. So you can convert this to maid's room. Okay, let's go to our second floor. As I've said, very high ceiling, ang ganda. Okay, steel railings, concrete ang stairs with wooden planks. So nakakaganda ng vibe. Maglalagay po tayo dyan na very elegant chandelier. So here is our second toilet and bath. Yan, welcome po sa ating second bedroom. Yan, mataas po ang ceiling. Ceiling height is around 2.5 meters. Marami pong sliding windows made up of aluminum. And here is our master's bedroom. The third bedroom of the house. And normally, nandito yung ating balcony. A very spacious balcony. And see the beauty of Centrina in Alaminos, Laguna. Ayun, meron pa pong mga mountains. Yan. So if you are interested, I'm very excited to show you this property. So feel free to contact me dun sa details na makikita nyo below. Thank you for watching and maraming salamat po.